Hello.
Hi, welcome to the 3D printing lab. Can I help you?
Yes, I want print a keychain.
You want to print a keychain?
That's great. Do you have a design?
I not have design. I just want simple keychain.
You don't have a design? No problem. We have some simple designs on the computer.
How I choose a design?
How do I choose a design?
You can look at these pictures and pick one.
How long it take to print?
It takes about 20 minutes to print a small keychain.
How much it costs?
It costs $2 for one keychain.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try 3D printing.
That's wonderful. Your keychain will be ready soon.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the digital art class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want learn to use a drawing tablet.
You want to learn to use a drawing tablet.
That's great. Have you used one before?
I not used tablet before.
You have not used a tablet before.
No problem, I can show you.
Is it hard to draw on tablet?
No, it is easy after some practice.
What I need to start?
Just bring yourself. We have tablets and pens here.
Can I save my drawing?
Yes, you can save your drawing on the computer.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try digital art.
That's wonderful. You will make great art.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the rooftop breakfast. Can I help you?
Yes, I want coffee with oat milk.
You want coffee with oat milk?
Yes, we have oat milk here.
I not try oat milk before.
You have not tried oat milk before?
It's very tasty and healthy.
Is it sweet?
It is a little sweet, but not too much.
Can I have sugar too?
Yes, you can add sugar if you like.
How much is 1 cup?
1 cup is $2.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your coffee and the view.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the community compost bin. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can compost orange peels.
You want to know if you can compost orange peels?
Yes, you can put them in the bin.
I not compost orange peels before.
You have not composted orange peels before?
No problem, they break down well.
Do I need to cut them small?
Yes, it is better to cut them into small pieces.
Will they make the compost smell bad?
No, if you mix them with other food scraps, it is fine.
How long they take to compost?
They take a few months to break down.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the environment.
That's wonderful. Composting is good for the earth.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the eco-friendly laundry. Can I help you?
Yes, I want use natural detergent.
You want to use natural detergent?
Yes, we have it here.
I not used natural detergent before.
You have not used natural detergent before?
No problem. It is safe for clothes and skin.
What is it made from?
It is made from plants and has no chemicals.
Is it good for washing all clothes?
Yes, it is good for all types of clothes.
How much I need to use?
Just 1 small cup for each wash.
How much does it cost?
It is $3 for 1 bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy clean and green laundry.
Hello?
Hi, are you here for the book exchange?
Yes, I want leave my favorite book.
You want to leave your favorite book?
That's wonderful. Many people will enjoy it.
I not leave book here before.
You have not left a book here before?
No problem. Just put it on the shelf.
Do I need write my name inside?
You don't need to, but you can write a note if you want.
Can I take a new book too?
Yes, you can take any book you like.
How long I can keep the book?
Please bring it back in 2 weeks.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to share my book.
That's wonderful. Sharing books helps everyone read more.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Science Club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the robot project.
You want to join the robot project?
You want to join the robot project?
I not build robot before.
You have not built a robot before?
No problem. We teach beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your ideas and excitement. We have tools here.
When do you meet?
We meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m.
How many people in the group?
There are 8 people in the group now.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Robots are fun to build together.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the upcycling market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy a recycled wallet.
You want to buy a recycled wallet?
That's great. We have many here.
I not buy recycled wallet before.
You have not bought a recycled wallet before?
No problem. They are made from old materials.
What materials you use?
We use old jeans, fabric, and sometimes plastic.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and last a long time.
How much one wallet cost?
One wallet is $10.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy something good for the earth.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new wallet.
Hello.
Hi. Are you here to exercise?
You want to use the pull-up bar?
That's great. Have you used it before?
I not use pull-up bar before.
You have not used the pull-up bar before.
No problem. I can show you.
Is it hard to do pull-ups?
It can be hard at first, but you get stronger with practice.
How I start?
How do I start? Just grab the bar and try to lift yourself up.
How many should I do?
Start with 1 or 2 and rest between tries.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try new exercise.
That's wonderful. Keep practicing and you will get better. Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the community garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want grow strawberries.
You want to grow strawberries?
That's wonderful. Have you grown them before?
I not grow strawberries before.
You have not grown strawberries before?
No problem. They are easy to start.
What I need to begin?
You need strawberry plants, good soil, and water.
Can I grow them in a pot?
Yes, strawberries grow well in pots or in the ground.
How much sun they need?
They need at least 6 hours of sun every day.
How often I water them?
Water them when the soil feels dry.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try gardening.
That's wonderful. Enjoy growing your strawberries.
Hello?
Hi. Welcome to the Zero Waste Grocery. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can bring my own jars.
You want to know if you can bring your own jars?
Yes, we love when customers do that.
I not bring jars before.
You have not brought jars before?
No problem. It's easy and good for the planet.
How I use my jars here?
First, we weigh your empty jars and write the weight.
Then I fill them with food?
Yes, fill them with anything you want. Rice, beans, or nuts.
How I pay?
We weigh your jars again and you pay for the food only.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to shop with less plastic.
That's wonderful. Every small step helps the earth.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Digital Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want set up my smart speaker.
You want to set up your smart speaker?
No problem. Do you have it with you?
Yes, but I not set up before.
You have not set up before? That's okay. First, plug it into the power.
I do that. What next?
Now, connect it to your Wi-Fi with your phone.
I not know how to connect Wi-Fi.
You don't know how to connect Wi-Fi?
I can show you on your phone.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
What can I do with smart speaker?
You can play music, ask questions, and set alarms.
I am happy to try new technology.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your smart speaker.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the Art Walk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join a sketching group.
You want to join a sketching group?
That's great. We meet every Sunday.
I not join art group before.
You have not joined an art group before?
No problem. We welcome beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring a sketchbook and a pencil.
Do I need to pay?
No, joining the group is free.
What do you draw?
We draw buildings, trees, and people in the city.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try sketching.
That's wonderful. We look forward to seeing your art.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the smoothie bike stand. Can I help you?
Yes, I want make a protein smoothie.
You want to make a protein smoothie?
That's great. We have protein powder here.
I not make smoothie with protein before.
You have not made a smoothie with protein before?
No problem. I can show you.
What I need to do first?
First, choose your fruits and put them in the blender.
Can I add banana and berries?
Yes, banana and berries are perfect.
How much protein powder I use?
Use 1 scoop for your smoothie.
How I use the bike?
Just pedal and the blender will mix your smoothie.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a healthy smoothie.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your drink and your day.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the Transport Info Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about student discount.
You want to know about the student discount?
You want to know about the student discount.
Yes, we have special prices for students.
I not used student discount before.
You have not used a student discount before?
No problem. Do you have a student ID?
Yes, I have my card here.
Great. Show your card and you get the discount.
How much is the discount?
You get 50% off the normal price.
That is very good. How long is it valid?
It is valid for 1 year.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to save money.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your travels.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bike share. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to ask about returning a bike late.
You want to ask about returning a bike late? Sure. Did you return your bike late?
Yes, I returned it 1 hour late.
You returned it 1 hour late. That's okay, but there is a small late fee.
I not know about the fee.
You didn't know about the fee? No problem. It is $2 for each hour late.
How I pay the fee?
How do I pay the fee? You can pay here at the desk or online.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I will return the bike on time next time.
That's great. Thank you for using the bike share.
I am happy to ride in the city.
Wonderful. Have a safe ride next time.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill station. Can I help you?
Yes, I want refill my dish soap bottle.
You want to refill your dish soap bottle. Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill dish soap before.
You have not refilled dish soap before. No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
How much soap I can take?
How much soap can I take? You can fill your whole bottle.
What kind of soap you have?
What kind of soap do you want? We have lemon and unscented.
I want lemon soap, please.
Great. I will fill your bottle now.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the upcycling market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about handmade bags.
You want to know about handmade bags? Yes, we have many here.
I not buy handmade bag before.
You have not bought a handmade bag before. No problem. They are special and good for the environment.
What are they made from?
They are made from old clothes and fabric.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and last a long time.
How much one bag cost?
One bag is $10.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy a handmade bag.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new bag and thank you for supporting upcycling.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Rooftop Reading Club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join book group.
You want to join a book group? That's great. We meet every Friday evening.
I not join book group before.
You have not joined a book group before? No problem. We love new members.
What kind of books you read?
We read many kinds, stories, novels, and sometimes poems.
Do I need bring my own book?
Yes, please bring your book, or you can borrow one from us.
How long is the meeting?
The meeting is about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to read with others.
That's wonderful. Reading together is fun. See you Friday.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want set up Wi-Fi at home.
You want to set up Wi-Fi at home? No problem. Do you have a router?
I not know what is router.
You don't know what a router is? It is a small box that gives you Wi-Fi.
I have a box with lights at home.
That is your router. Do you have internet service?
Yes, I have internet, but Wi-Fi not work.
Your Wi-Fi does not work? I can help you. Did you try to restart the router?
No, I not try that.
Try to turn it off and on. Sometimes it helps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to get help.
That's great. Come back if you need more help.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the podcast event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to be a guest on the podcast.
That's great. What would you like to talk about?
I not be on podcast before.
You have not been on a podcast before? No problem. We help new guests.
Do I need to prepare something?
Yes, please think about your topic and some ideas to share.
How long I will speak?
How long will I speak? About 10 minutes.
Is it okay if my English not perfect?
Yes, it's okay. Your English is good and you are learning.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry. We are friendly and will help you.
Thank you. I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. You will do great on the podcast.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to borrow some gardening tools.
You want to borrow some gardening tools? Yes, we have many tools here.
I not borrow tools before.
You have not borrowed tools before? No problem. I can show you how.
What tools can I take?
You can take a shovel, rake, or watering can.
Do I need to pay?
No, borrowing tools is free for everyone.
How long I can keep the tools?
How long can I keep the tools? Please return them by the end of the day.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to work in the garden.
That's wonderful. Enjoy gardening and have a great day.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the thrift market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a winter coat.
You want to buy a winter coat? Yes, we have many here.
I not buy coat here before.
You have not bought a coat here before? No problem. I can show you the coat section.
Thank you. Do you have small size?
Yes, we have small, medium, and large sizes.
How much one coat cost?
One coat is $15.
Are the coats warm?
Yes, they are very warm and good for cold weather.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find a coat.
That's great. Enjoy your new coat and stay warm.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the candle workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make a colored candle.
You want to make a colored candle? That's great. We have many colors to choose from.
I not make candle before.
You have not made a candle before? No problem. I will show you how.
What I need to start?
What do I need to start? Just pick a color and a mold.
Can I mix two colors?
Yes, you can mix two colors to make a new one.
How long it take to finish?
How long does it take to finish? About 1 hour to make and cool.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Your candle will look beautiful.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the chess club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want learn chess rules.
You want to learn chess rules? That's great. Are you new to chess?
Yes, I not play chess before.
You have not played chess before. No problem. I can teach you the basics.
Is chess hard to learn?
No, it is easy to start. We begin with how the pieces move.
What I do first?
First, learn the names of the pieces: king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn.
How I win the game?
How do I win the game? You win by checkmating the king.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try chess.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun.